Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering the exact tools you need for a Seiko metal band removal. Use a spring bar tool and a 2 mm pin pusher for pins. Keep a small flat screwdriver and fine tweezers handy for clips and end links. Lay a soft cloth on your work surface to protect the crystal and case. Work under bright light so you can see tiny grooves and arrows. Remove the watch from your wrist and place it face down on the cloth before you begin. Turn the band so you can read the small arrows stamped into each link back. Those arrows show the direction to push the pins out for removal. Align your 2 mm pin pusher with the pin head and apply steady pressure in the arrow direction. Tap lightly with a small hammer if the pin is tight, then push until the pin shoulder begins to protrude. Use fine tweezers to pull the pin out fully and separate the unwanted links one by one. When the link count is correct, rejoin the band by aligning link holes carefully. Insert the pin back in the opposite direction of the arrows until the shoulder seats evenly. Use the 2 mm pusher to press the pin flush and secure the joint. Reattach the clasp and verify the spring bar seats correctly in the lug or end link. Test the watch on your wrist for comfort and security. Recheck pin tightness and clasp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.